Welcome to Mastering the UAE ERP Canvas, your ultimate guide to enterprise software in 2026, curated by Professionals Lobby. The UAE economy is driven by key sectors like dynamic logistics, rapid construction, global transportation, complex properties, and massive warehouses. ERP systems act as the digital paint, connecting every endpoint, from the warehouse floor to the boardroom dashboard, into a single intelligent masterpiece. We begin with the enterprise titans, including SAP S/4HANA for advanced analytics, Microsoft Dynamics 365 with built-in AI, Oracle NetSuite as the #1 cloud ERP for scale, Workday for HCM and adaptive planning, and JD Edwards for complex manufacturing mastery. Next, we examine the mid-market innovators, Odoo ERP, SAP Business One, Sage X3, Epicor, Infor, and Acumatica. These systems offer ultimate flexibility and industry-specific cloud solutions for growing businesses. The Localized Masters, such as Pacte ERP, FirstBit, and Focus 9, offer deep UAE localization. They provide native corporate tax readiness, PEPPOLE, invoicing integration, and seamless Arabic language support. For niche industries, we have Precision Instruments. For construction and projects, consider CMIC and Deltek. Manufacturing and aviation rely on Plex and QAD. Real estate and services often use Yardi Voyager and Zoho. This map of the UAE ecosystem shows ERP systems categorized by business complexity and deployment. Solutions range from large enterprise on-premise like JD Edwards to small business cloud-native options like Zoho. The non-negotiable foundations for 2026 include compliance mandates such as UAE corporate tax and PEPPOLE, invoicing integration. Technological imperatives require built-in AI, multi-entity architecture, and API-based extensibility. With over 30 platforms and infinite configurations, how do you find the right system without risking your operations, compliance, or capital? Enter the Professionals Lobby, the leading ERP experts in the UAE. We provide independent advisory, AI-powered research, and a certified network of implementation partners. Our vendor-neutral selection methodology involves 3 steps. Compare ERP software against our proprietary database, conduct independent expert evaluation of your specific requirements, and receive a structured introduction to certified vendors. We connect you to the best through a highly vetted network of authorized vendors and certified consultants, including SAP, Oracle, Dynamics, Odoo, and Sage. Professionals Lobby provides a complete business ecosystem, offering integrated services like IT, AI, and tax consultancy, alongside legal advisory, accounting, and property matching. Start your transformation today. Turn operational chaos into a digital masterpiece. Get your free, independent ERP assessment at professionalslobby.com.
Professionals Lobby.